Hello, today we are cooking egusi soup without oil. Remember, we are trying to eliminate as much oil as possible from our food. These are the ingredients. I'm replacing the oil with the red bell pepper just to give it color and also more vitamin C, because the red bell pepper is full of vitamin C. And so I have my chicken. The chicken has been pre-cooked. So I have my chicken. I have 1 cup of egusi, grounded egusi, and other ingredients I'm using. So I'm using my MP5 multi-purpose 5, and this one can serve a family of 5. So I have my dry fish washed, then the bell pepper grounded, and add some condiments, salt, maggi, crayfish, everything. Just dump everything, add a little water, and allow it, bring it to cook. So when the meat is softer, then I add other ingredients that the egusi will now enter. I started with 375 degree in my MP5, and so I'm cooking with that. 1 cup of grounded egusi. If you are watching at this time, will you subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and share this video? And so 1 cup of egusi, and that's the quantity that he gave to me. No oil at all, only using bell pepper. Now I use washed bitter leaf. I love the taste of a little bitterness in the egusi soup, so I use bitter leaf. You can use any leaf, spinach, kale, collard green, any one you want to. So I just put a little bit of bitter leaf, and this is the time to add extra water, because remember that is what you put, what you get in Salad Master. So the quantity of soup you want, that is determine the quantity of water you put. You don't put extra water thinking that it will dry. Just know the quantity of soup you want. That's the quantity I want. Soup for about 5 people. And so I now have to reduce the heat to 300 degrees for 12 minutes because of the vegetable I just put. So it will simmer and it will cook. That is it. At the end of it all, now my egusi soup without oil is ready. Wow, yummy. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.